Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting video and I'd like to take the time to thank Poshmark for sponsoring this video. If you've been living under a rock and you don't know about Poshmark, it is absolutely amazing. It's basically a way for you to clean out your closet. You can go inside your closet, pick out some gently used items that you haven't used, home decor even makeup that hasn't been used, and you can sell it to other people that could use it. So I think it's pretty cool. You can download Poshmark using the link in the description box below, and you can start shopping my closet. I just listed a bunch of stuff, so definitely check it out. And I'm also going to show you guys some outfits that I've recently posted. Poshmark is honestly the easiest way to clean out your closet and make some money while you're at it, instead of just getting rid of your clothes and throwing them away. I have bought clothes from time to time that we don't end up necessarily taking the tags off or wearing, so Poshmark is just a great way to make some money off of what you already bought but didn't wear. You can find amazing deals from brands, like brand names, like I'm showing you guys stuff from Missguided, Forever 21, Vans. Also, home items just launched on Poshmark, so you can actually start selling like home decor, which I think is great because sometimes it's nice to like reinvent your space and get new decor. So this is again a way to make money and just get rid of some stuff. You could basically get up to 70% off of retail prices. They even have luxury brands available with authenticity when it's purchases over $500 or more, so that's really cool. So again, you can download Poshmark using my link below and also shop my closet. And yeah, let's get started. I'll show you guys some of the clothes I have posted. So this first outfit is this crop top biker short set from Missguided. I absolutely love the way it fits and how it looks. I just haven't worn it all that much. I wore this outfit maybe like one time, maybe twice, and it's just so bright. It's really flattering for your booty, and it's just like a cute little set just to wear and go. So this is my first item. Super cute outfit. It's actually from a little boutique in Connecticut. I got it almost a year ago and never wore it once. I like how the back is open and it's like a zip closure, and it's also super lacy. It's very, very sexy. Really cute for a date night, and yeah, it even has flared bottoms over here. We have some flared bottoms. It's just super complimentary to your body, and it's fairly form-fitting through here, and I like how it has flared legs. Pair this for a date night with a nice pair of black heels and you're good to go. So this is my second item that I'm going to share with you guys. This next item that I'm sharing with you guys is also from the same little boutique in Connecticut. I wore this for my 27th birthday. Again, wore it one time, probably will never wear it again. Super form-fitting, open in the front, and open in the back a little bit. You can wear it off the shoulder, or you can even pull it up and wear it up like this and show a little more stomach, or you can wear it more off the shoulder and this will come down a little bit more. You can adjust it to the way that fits your body. It has a slip underneath, so it's definitely not going to be see-through for you. And yeah, this was really cute for my birthday, and if I didn't wear it for my birthday, I'd probably wear it all the time. But you know, you gotta have a fresh dress and a fresh outfit for every birthday. So this was for my 27th birthday, and I only wore it once. The last thing I'm going to share with you guys are these really cute checkered Vans. I've worn these like maybe twice, 3 times. They don't fit. I believe they're a size 7 in women's, and I'm a size 8. My boyfriend tried to get me matching shoes with him, but yeah, they don't really fit and they're pretty uncomfortable to wear, so I'd rather give them to somebody who can wear them. They're super white, super fresh, no staining. So that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Check out Poshmark if you haven't already. Like I said, I will have a link in the description to where you can check out Poshmark, where you can sign up, where you can shop my closet, where you can have people shop your closet, and you guys will not regret it because it's a good way to make extra income. So definitely check them out. Also want to add that I only showed you guys 4 pieces, but I have a few more listings on my Poshmark that might interest you, so definitely check them out. And yeah, until next time, I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye guys!